Welcome to Watsonville Community Hospital Orthopedics. Here at Watsonville Community Hospital, we combine a great facility, a caring staff, and a friendly environment.
We have some of the most qualified orthopedic surgeons in a variety of fields. We deal with hands, feet, ankles, hips, big bones, little bones, and our goal is to provide you the highest level of care that is possible.
Orthopedic means to make straight the child, and when an orthopedic surgery is done, it's to put you back whole again.
What I found is really great about Watsonville Community Hospital is that the nurses live in this community. They don't come from far away. They really care about what happens here, both the facility and the patients and the reputation.
I think we're lucky we have surgical staff which has been here for some of them as long as I have. I came here in 1977, and most of the people that work in the operating room start here and they stay here because they like it.
We're fortunate enough here at Watsonville Hospital to have some of the most advanced techniques provided for orthopedic procedures.
One of the reasons I stay in Santa Cruz County and haven't moved out of the area for 10 years is we're able to have advanced technology available within days or hours that is not available in other facilities, and that is something which we're able to bring into the community because it is a smaller facility.
We have the new hospital with larger operating rooms, good equipment, and it's a very first-class surgical suite.
Just about everybody who I do surgery on has had some sort of an advanced imaging study like an MRI scan or a CT scan.
Some of my cases are admitted to the hospital, so the total joint replacements and the more complicated foot and ankle procedures are admitted for pain control and physical therapy. Being able to communicate with therapists and having all that material available on the same floor and within reach, seeing the same patients over and over again is always the best plan, and it's readily available.
We've been given access to a wing on the second floor that's just devoted to orthopedic and spine recovery, so our healthy elective patients have their own area where they can recover. The rooms are big. The nurses are trained just specifically for that. So I think that really facilitates getting people moving and getting people home.
I think that orthopedics and the type of surgery we do really depends on having a coordinated team of people, and the surgery and the outpatient rehab and the inpatient rehab all work together with that.
Outpatient rehab is dependent on how soon your physician wants to start it, but he will have already defined a course of action for you, and the rehab staff will be setting up appointments or setting it up to meet your needs before you leave the hospital.
I tend to be really involved in my patients' care and setting up protocols and making sure that those are followed and refining them as time goes on to help people get up, get moving, feel better quicker. The nice thing about it is that they're very hands-on, so it's not like they're told to go off and do their exercises while the therapist is working with someone else. So they're very focused on the patients at hand.
We have one of the rare options of having a pool for therapy purposes.
The pool is very good for patients who have problems with weight bearing. It allows them to bear weight sooner perhaps than they would normally on land.
People really do well, and they like, once their wound heals, they like to get in the water. It's a very fun and kind way to get your body moving again.
Our rehab staff is outstanding, and they work with you because it's what it takes to make your surgery successful and get you back to your normal life as fast as possible.
Joint replacement, particularly with knees and hips, is one of the most successful category of operations that are done in all of surgery because it keeps people functioning in our society.
Our goal is to get our patients back to their normal life, and here at Watsonville Community Hospital, we do a very good job of that.